This, my friends, is the CitizenM room tour at the La Défense CitizenM Hotel. And look at this. As soon as we just walk in, I'll just quickly show you. Look at that for a view. Look at that for a view. It's just absolutely insane. We'll start off over here when you come in. So we've got some hangers to hang up the clothes. Here we go, the bathroom. And all the light controlled in here is controlled by the tablet in the room, which I'll show in a minute, and on the CitizenM. We got a nice shower in here as well. Bog. Sink area. And this is the tablet. Obviously it's under my partner's name. You can control like literally everything. TV, hotel guide, literally everything is controlled with the tablet. And this is the bed. Got storage underneath the bed as well. So we got a safe. The remote and some extra stuff in there as well. Welcome to all mobile citizens of the world. And we got a nice little friend who is ready for daily cuddles. And we've got a nice hallway there as well. The artwork around here is just amazing. And we've got books as well. And that is the CitizenM La Défense.